wake up at 3 a.m., run a mile, and catch a bus that got there pretty late.
You can see my eyes, how cold it is. I'm crying. I had to cover my face because the wind chill is so bad.
Say that one more time.
It's cold.
Alright, you gotta take one of these bad boys to get to the airport, and you got an early flight. We had a bus this morning at 3 a.m. The bus was like 30 minutes past what we were supposed to be, and we had to catch another bus to get to the airport. Alright, and then after that we took a plane ride, and then we took a train here. So pretty much that's how it ended up being.
Pretty much. Our McDonald's meal was freaking $25 for 2 McChickens. Like, I wish I would have recorded that for the world to see. Like, everyone should just migrate to Denmark. You get twice the dollar here. In America, that would have cost $4 for 2 burgers and 2 fries.
It's $25.
$25.
We could have came here and bought hot dogs. We got massive diarrhea.
I feel like my eyes swollen on one side because it's barely open. I think I have one small eye right now.
First impressions is freaking cold. Like, this is no place for a Mexican. No place for a Mexican or Hispanic.
Here. That's why you guys don't come here.
So we got some wonderful facts here for this place. The people here make double what we make in America. They have free schooling, they have free healthcare. So why aren't people flooding these streets of Denmark? Why aren't they coming in here and begging to come into this country? Not sure why. You get free school and you get paid double, but you also get taxed a lot. So anyhow.
I'm really excited to try this cigar. It is made by a Danish cigar roller, and what's really cool about it is he's the only Danish cigar roller here in Denmark, obviously. And what's really good about this cigar is that the filler is actually Sumatra filler and also Brazilian filler with a Connecticut wrapper. Once you start smoking it, it turns into a really soft and smooth smoke. So I'm really excited. It's a light, smooth, maybe medium cigar. That's exactly what I like. And he paired it with this Dominican rum. It's a really sweet, kind of warming rum, and partnered with this cigar, I can, once I have a portion of the cigar, I can savor the rum in the back of my palate. So it's a really nice pairing, actually. So right now we're in Copenhagen city center, in the middle of everything. So we're in the mecca of like all the shopping, and I like to call them the painted ladies because that's what we call them in the city. Where in like San Francisco you see the really cool like full houses. It's like the same thing of Denmark. I think that's going to be pretty much it for our cigar review here in Denmark. I really hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Super fun video just to give you guys a glimpse of Copenhagen. And let me know what you guys think, and if you have tried the Nielsen cigar, let me know in the comments.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
I really enjoyed that guy. He was so sweet. The cigar expert in the Macanudo shop was really sweet. He was really nice. He wrote down our YouTube. So hopefully they can check out our YouTube channel, see what we're about.